Hey guys, you see, in every project, in every virtual project, there is a need for proper auditing in every installation. So usually when we are called upon, it's very important that we refer to the drawings to ensure that the conduiting goes smoothly and according to plan. Now here in this one, we have provision for fire alarm, networking, and CCTV surveillance system. So this is a huge facility here in London, and this is still in its early stage. The conduiting is still ongoing. Okay, so at this stage now, if there is any error from our end during the operation stage, the finishing might not go well. Okay, my name is Vincent from ICTV.